Vehicular movement on Imphal to Jiribam National Highway number 37 have been affected due to indefinite blockade imposed by Rongmei Naga Council, Manipur. Bandh supporters blocked the Imphal to Jiribam National Highway number 37 and its adjoining Old Kasar Road and the Loktak Laimatak Project Road. The blockade, which began from last night, has caused significant disruptions, with many commuters facing difficulties in accessing this highway. Meanwhile, many people have started queuing up at the petrol stations in Imphal, fearing of fuel shortages due to the bandh. On the other hand, women folk staged protests at New Kaithial Manbi along the Imphal to Jiribam road, despite the heavy rain blocking the Old Kasar road near Bishnupur by burning tires at Prongrenlong near None. It may be mentioned that the Rongmei Naga Council has been demanding redemarcation of district boundaries by merging villages of 5 tribes and sub-tribes which are currently under Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district with Noni district. The 5 sub-tribes are Chiru, Kharam, Rongmei, Aimol and Kom. The council has also submitted several memorandums to government in this regard, while complaining that the Naga tribes and Rongmei communities in Churachandpur and Kangpokpi districts have not been receiving benefits from the National Food Security Act, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme and other health initiatives, as they have been marginalized by majority community in these districts. To address these grievances, the council is demanding an alternative administration, urging the relocation of Rongmei inhabited villages into Noni district. However, as government has failed to address these issues, the council decided to impose the indefinite ban from Sunday midnight.